This pack of baskets just came in. I'm gonna unpackage them and then give you guys my impression. So here's a little sneak peek of the designs. Let's get to opening them. Here's the first one. I think you just press it. Okay, so here's how it looks. Honestly, I was pretty skeptical, but this design looks pretty nice. So yeah, it's made out of like a canvas material. They have these two handles on the sides that you can pop out, and it does actually fit a good amount of space inside it as well. So yeah, this is pretty cool and actually pretty spacious. So here's the next basket. As you can see, yeah, upon looking at this at first, I thought there wasn't going to be much of a design, but they just smushed it right here. It looks so cool. Here's the last basket. These are some pretty neat designs. Ooh, what is that I caught though? Oh, it came off. Or it's right here. Uh-oh, that came off of the design. Not too... It doesn't look like it really affected it though. So here's how they look like. As I said throughout this video, they are really good quality. It's that nice canvas quality, and they are super spacious. So if you're going trick-or-treating, or if you're just using these as decorational things or just to carry stuff, they have a lot of space and really great designs.